Okay. Okay, boys. So this is our lesson today. It's a listening skill practice. Okay. I'm gonna play an audio for you. Okay. And you will listen to that audio first, and then later we will discuss these questions regarding that audio. Okay, boys.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So uh, let just.
I'm just watching some television.
Can you hear this?
No,
No, I'm
not too much.
Yes.
I'm so bored. It's only 10 in the morning.
Please raise the volume of your mic if you are not able to listen it carefully.
It is your highest volume, teacher.
Wait,
Yeah.
Mr. I will
But
make
can
it
you
loud.
can you just hear?
My ear.
What are you up to?
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
Me too. Do you think we are boring people?
I don't think we're boring. It's just that we don't have any hobbies.
That's right. What do you think we should do as a hobby?
That all depends on what you like to do. For example, I like to doodle on the notepad, so I'm thinking about doing some real drawing.
I like to play the piano for fun.
Yeah, that can be a good hobby.
Hobbies are great. I'm going to make a list of all the things I like to do.
That's a great idea. I'm going to do the same.
Okay, so okay, boys. So have you heard that conversation between a boy and a girl? Okay, so what they
Some of it.
okay, actually they are talking about that they are boring, and they are talking about some hobbies. Okay, so actually this is again I'm going to play. Just listen it carefully.
Hey, Joanne, what are you up to?
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
Me too. Do you think we are boring people?
I don't think we're boring. It's just that we don't have any hobbies.
That's right. What do you think we should do as a hobby?
That all depends on what you like to do. For example, I like to doodle on the notepad, so I'm thinking about doing some real drawings.
I like to play the piano for fun.
Yeah, that can be a good hobby.
Hobbies are great. I'm going to make a list of all the things I like to do.
That's a great idea. I'm going to do the same.
Okay, boys. So okay, just have a look on these questions. Listen to the audio to the conversation between Joanne and her friend. Okay, so which of the following statement is true? Who is calling Joanne? Joanne called a friend, or a friend called Joanne?
B.
Joanne, I called a friend.
A friend called Joanne.
A friend
Hey.
called Joanne. Yeah. Listen.
Yo, ma.
Amber, listen.
What are you up to?
Hey, Joanne, what you up to? Means someone is calling Joanne. So her friend called her. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
So okay, next. What is Joanne doing? What she is doing?
Watching television.
Yes.
Yeah, she's watching TV. What about other boys? Muhammad,
Yes.
is that clear to you?
I can't hear you, Mr. أصلا.
What happened?
The voice is low, يا Mr.
Hey, Joanne, what are you up to?
طب علي صوت الموبايل.
I'm so bored.
أنا مو
I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in
طب
the
علي صوت السبيكر.
Me too. Do you think we are boring people?
Now
No,
can you
good.
hear it clearly?
Yes, now clear, يا Mr.
Oh my God, my ear is gonna,
Yes, I know. It's gonna blow.
yeah.
Yes.
What are you up to?
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
Me too. Do you think we are boring people?
I don't think we're boring. It's just that we don't have any hobbies.
That's right. What do you think we should do as a hobby?
It all depends on what you like to do. For example, I like to doodle on the notepad, so I'm thinking about doing some real drawings.
I like to play the piano for fun.
Yeah, that can be a good hobby.
Hobbies are great. I'm going to make a list of all the things I like to do.
Great idea. I'm going to do the same.
Okay. So which of the following statement is true actually? So this is the B. A friend called Joanne. Okay. Then
Yes.
what she is doing? She is watching.
TV.
TV.
Yeah, that's good. What is the topic of discussion between both of them? Movies
Hobbies.
or surfing or computer or hobbies?
Hobbies. Hobbies.
What mean
What?
hobbies, Mr.?
على هواية.
Hawaii.
Okay.
Okay, how many of you agree with this answer? Hobbies.
Me.
Me.
Okay.
Me.
So the correct answer is hobbies. Good. So what time of
Yes.
the day is the conversation taking place?
10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Yeah, Jasir. Yes, correct answer. It's only at 10 a.m.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Here.
Here, he said in the beginning.
Hey, Joanne, what are you up to?
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
It's only 10 in the morning. Yeah? What am I going to do? It's only 10 in the morning.
I won.
Yeah, just it's because of his accent, okay? So he's just saying that it's only 10 in the morning. What I don't know what I'm going to do up to do, okay?
Do you think we are boring people?
So that's how.
Yes.
I do.
Yes, so which of the following statement is true? This is the number B. Okay, fine. What is she's doing? She's watching TV. Okay, fine. What is the topic of discussion? Hobbies? Okay. And then we have which time of the day is the conversation taking? 10
10 a.m.
a.m. Okay. So that's the end of this worksheet. I'm gonna share the another one, the part B.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr.
Yes, yes.
You will send the worksheet solved, yes?
Yeah, answer key is already uploaded in the system.
Okay, I will go see it next time.
What is that?
Can you see this one now in front of you?
Yes.
No, the same. I see the
No,
same.
same. Yes, me too, the same.
Okay, I'm gonna share with you the another one. Okay, now this one.
Yes.
1B.
Worksheet revision 1B.
Yes, Amr. Oh, you can also?
Yes. Worksheet revision 1B.
Yeah, Abdullah, Jasser, everyone can
Yes,
see
yes.
knife also?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I do.
Okay. So in this, okay, the first, it's a part of the revision worksheet, okay? So just now, knife. What about the listening practice? Just now we have finished that. Is that clear to you?
What, Mister?
That listening practice. Have you heard that listening practice? Just now we
Yeah.
finished. Okay. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is our next part B for this revision worksheet, sentence types, okay? We have just before that, we have learned about different types of kinds of sentences, okay? There are another one, okay? This is the types of sentences, simple, compound, and complex sentences. That's it.
Yes.
Don't breathe in such a way, okay?
He is breathing at the mic.
Don't breathe in the mic, okay?
Because the mic is just in front of me.
Yeah, just
I
mute
just want to
yourself
mute.
now. All of you just mute yourself so that you can listen to me carefully, okay? I'm gonna explain because the voice is being recorded. Okay, so sentence types, okay, simple, compound, and complex. Before that, we have learned about different types of sentences, that imperative and declarative and exclamatory. Here we are interrogative. Here we are going to learn about the sentences on the basis of structure, not on the basis of meaning, okay? The sentences, the kinds of sentences that we have discussed before, that were actually based on the meaning, okay? Now today we are going to discuss the types of sentences on the basis of structure, okay? So we start with simple sentences. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. It expresses a single complete thought that can stand on its own, means that can clarify its meaning without any hesitation, okay? This is a simple sentence. For example, you can see the examples in front of you. The boy cried for food. This is a simple sentence. Why? There is a subject. Sorry, the baby cried for food, not boy. Sorry. So there is a subject and a verb that expresses a complete thought. The baby, yeah. And the baby cried. Cried for what? For food. So the thought is clear, the complete thought. Okay, the next one. Professor Mapple's intelligent students completed and turned in their homework. Okay, it's a simple sentence, does not necessarily mean to have to be short. Simple does not mean only to be short. It can have adjectives. In this case, as you can see here, there are two verbs, completed and turned. And in however, the sentences express one complete thought, and therefore it's a simple sentence. We cannot just say that there are two verbs, so it will become a compound sentence. No, no. We have to look for a complete, single, complete thought. That's the basic point for a simple sentence. Okay, that's the basic point. You must keep in your mind that the basic point that if it's uh, expressing one complete thought, therefore it is a simple sentence. Okay, like here, Megan and Ron ate too much and felt sick. Here, two persons are there. There are two subjects. Okay, fine. Although there are two subjects, okay, and ate too much, verbs also there, but it is still a single simple sentence. Why? Because it is showing a just complete sense, only one complete sentence, and that is that both of them they ate too much and that's why they felt sick. Okay, verbs share the same subjects and express one complete thoughts. They are called simple sentences. This is all about simple sentences. The next thing is about compound sentences. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. The main thing, a compound sentence has two independent clauses. All of you must keep this in your mind that a compound sentence always has two independent clauses. What do we mean by independent? An independent clause is a part of sentence that can stand alone, that can clarify its meaning without any support or any help. So an independent clause can stand alone means without any help or any support, it can clarify its meaning because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. But why it becomes a compound sentence and why we call it a simple? What's the difference? Basically, a compound contains two simple sentences, and these two simple sentences, or we can say these independent clauses, are joined by conjunction. Okay, that's the difference actually between a simple and a compound. So we can say that two simple sentences can be joined with the help of for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So these are actually conjunctions. When we join two simple sentences with the help of conjunction, it becomes a compound sentence. Or in we say murakkab in Arabic. Okay, murakkab. Both sides of conjunction so are complete. So, for example, the shoplifter had stolen clothes, so he ran once he saw the police. Here you can say the shoplifter had stolen the clothes. One sentence, so he ran once he. So both of these clauses actually joined by this conjunction so. So it is a complete one sentence. That's why it is a complete one sentence. It's a compound sentence and it has two independent clauses. What are two independent clauses here? This is the one clause and this is the other second clause that has been joined with the help of so. So both sides of the conjunction so are complete sentences. The shoplifter had stolen clothes can stand alone, and so can he run once he saw the police. There is both of these parts. This one boys and this one. Both of these parts are can stand alone and they can clarify their meaning. But if we take them as a whole as a complete sentence, that they are called it is a compound sentence. That's why because it has been joined with the help of conjunction so. Okay, the third kind is complex sentence. A complex sentence is an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clauses. Just now we have discussed that a sentence which has two independent clauses is a compound. Now there is a difference. If a sentence is having an independent clause and one or more dependent clause, it becomes one independent clause and one or more dependent clause, it becomes a complex sentence. What do we mean by a dependent clause? A dependent clause either lacks a subject or a verb, or has both a subject and a verb, but that does not express a complete thought. That's the difference between the compound and a complex. So compound, both independent clauses, but in complex we have one independent and there can be one or more dependent clauses. And what are dependent clauses? Actually, these are clauses, or you can say these a kind of sentence, but maybe not having a subject of its own, maybe not having a verb of its own, maybe it is having a subject and a verb, but it cannot clarify its meaning without the other part of the sentence. As you can see here, a complex sentence always has a subordinating conjunction. Why? Whenever you see the sentence and you see that there are some words like as, because, and two parts of the sentence have been joined, so this is a clear thing that it's a complex sentence. As you can see here in this example, after eating lunch at the cheese cafe factory, Tim went to the gym to exercise. Okay, so there the team went to the gym to exercise. It's an independent clause. And the thing here, after eating, because of this word after, it's a subordinating conjunction. This part of a sentence from here to here, it becomes dependent clause. Why? Because it needs some information to clarify its meaning. If I say after eating lunch at the cheesecake factory, you will ask, then what happened next? So the next thing is here, team went to the gym to exercise. That's why this part is independent, does not need anything. It is clearly
يعني مستر,
clear in its meaning.
what is the difference between dependent and independent clause? I
Dependent,
didn't really understand.
this is a dependent, this is an independent clause. Team went to the gym to exercise. Do you need anything to clarify its meaning? Is it clear to you? It is saying clearly that team went to the gym to exercise. But if we look here, that's why it is a independent clause, or you can say main clause. But if we look here, after eating lunch at the cheesecake factory, is it clear to you? No, we need some information that what happened after eating lunch, what happened next. So we need that part. That's why it's a dependent clause. And the other thing that you must keep in your mind, to look for these coordinating conjunction. If these words are there, that part would be a subordinating, or you can say dependent clause. Okay.
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 So independent clause is Tim went to the gym to exercise. The subordinating clause before it is depend on the main. Why? Because this thing needs this part, Tim, to clarify. After eating lunch at the cheesecake factory, what happened after eating lunch? It is talking about Tim. So that's why this is the dependent clause and this is the main independent clause. Okay, so this is the thing that we are now going to practice in this. Identify the type of sentence, choose the correct answer. A compound sentence has,
Two independent
Two
clause.
independent.
okay, that's good. Thumbs up for both of you. Number 2, because her
I will
computer
make thumbs up.
internet access, Savannah could learn more about Keith Urban and Kenny Chesney. What
What
kind of
is that?
sentence? Look here.
Because her computer had access Savannah, I could look.
Simple, compound, complex.
It's a compound, yeah, mister.
No, because
Compound complex.
Complex.
it's a
Complex.
complex. It's a complex.
Oh.
I told you to look for these words, as, because, since, after, though. Look for
This for
coordinating
complex.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
People show
People saw shop figures as old-fashioned.
this compound, yeah, mister, please.
Yeah, this
Symbol.
compound. Yes, this compound, because there are two independent clauses, this one and this one, and both of them have been joined with
How
conjunction.
simple, Amr? How simple?
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah. Okay, number 4, Amr, tell me.
I drew an illustration for a poem that has written by Robert Frost.
Oh, easy.
Simple.
Yeah, it's a simple. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Number 5, Jasser.
Mr. Can I answer?
Okay,
Can I
answer.
answer?
Yes, Abdullah.
Compound.
Okay, good.
No.
It's a compound. Yeah, because of but.
Because but.
Yeah, good.
معلش I forgot. Don't see but.
But many people work long and hard for their money. Long and hard. Don't worry. It's a single word, so it's a simple only.
What,
Don't
Mr.?
look for and, because long and
What?
hard. Long and hard. Actually, it's a single word. It's an idiom. It means very hard working. Okay, the people work hard for their money, so it's a simple sentence only. Number 7.
Oh, this maybe it's hard. Before the sun rises, she run 2 miles.
Can I answer,
for
Mr.?
exercise. لا تعمر يا مستر حرام.
Okay.
He don't know. He's miskin.
Complex.
Yes, complex. Before.
Allah عليك.
For the word before. Yes, but it's just, he just guessed. Not actually, he was not sure.
I know you, Mister.
Just
He
a
only
guess.
make
No,
تحريات.
Mister.
Number 7.
No.
8. Okay. Summer and Madison both take music lessons weekly.
Oh, easy.
Tell me if it's easy.
I tell you,
Compound
it's
complex.
simple.
Yes, Muhammad Al Ashram. Very good. It's simple. Yes.
Yeah, Mr. What is compound complex?
After ending this lesson, you're asking me this question, Abdullah. I've just
Yes.
Correct,
Boss,
yeah, Mr.
compound and
Simple.
complex.
Yes, I know.
Okay, now go for the next one. Try here, Abdullah. Simple means a one complete thought. Okay. Compound means 2 independent clauses joined by
I know.
but, or, so, for. Complex means 1 main clause and 1 dependent clause joined by, after, or before, or like words like or word like as, since, after, although, when. They are all complex sentences. Okay. Here.
Mister, I have only one question, Mister. The
Yeah.
final exam, we will write so much or no writing?
No, don't worry. It would be an online exam. So in the online exam, we cannot. You don't have to write so much.
يعني
Only
no
a simple-
writing.
Only
Zero.
choosing.
Yeah.
Zero writing. Oh,
Yes.
zero writing, ya
Hey.
Mister. Allah, ya
Oh
Mister.
la la.
Thank you, ya Mister.
I will
That's-
send you a circular. I will send you a circular after this meeting finishes. Okay. I will send you a circular. So you read that circular and you will come to know. Circle the conjunction for compound and complex sentences and write the type of sentence. So in this we have to circle the conjunction.
When?
We have to go to the
No.
bed when the clock chimes 10 o'clock. Okay, when? Okay, fine. So what kind of sentence?
Compound.
Compound?
What?
Complex.
Complex يا أخي إيش فيه؟
Yeah, Mr. We have
يا Mister,
complex is independent and dependent together.
It's a
Wait,
complex.
Mister.
It's a
I
complex.
want minute.
Is it okay? Complex.
Wait, يا Mister, I want to make a
أقول بعد
photo. I
إيش؟
want.
It's a complex. When?
First one dependent.
It's a complex. Okay. Jennifer
Complex.
liked William's friend and she also liked.
And
And it's compound, ya Mister.
Yes, good. Very good.
God, yes.
Okay. The big brown dog ran after the blue and red ball.
Easy يا Mister.
And.
ما لا تعمر لا تعمر.
Simple.
After.
you Mister.
After يا ذكي.
After.
إيش and?
ما بعرف.
This is the
and
conjunction.
هذه.
And.
This is the conjunction here. The big brown dog ran after the ball, after the blue and red ball.
Yes, ya Mister Amr is say and ya Mister. He's saying and. No. Wrong.
It's a complex.
Yes, he's today
He's an idiot.
sleeping. Yes.
James and Eve rode their bicycles after they ate lunch.
Easy. give Jasper يا Mister حرام.
After they ate lunch. This part.
James and Amy rode their bicycle after they ate the lunch. Really, it's complex.
Okay, good. So you will underline after. Okay, number 5, the
Yes.
teacher and the principal met in the hall near the library. Yes.
Oh, it need high order thinking, yeah, Mr.
Oh my
So
God,
give it to Abdullah.
it's really easy, really easy.
I know, but Mr.
Easy.
give them. Easy, يا Mr.
طب
Look,
جاوبها is easy جاوبها.
Listen to me, boys. And means we use conjunction like and but that time when we separate the clauses, not the words.
what?
Not the words. When we use conjunction to separate clauses, or we can say the word. But here, if we look here, this is just 2 subjects only, the teacher and the principal. But I told you,
مين قال أمية؟
yeah.
هذه مو المستر من واحد شكله فاتح المايك
There is a very bad sound, yeah, mister.
Yeah. Somebody's mobile phone, somebody's cell phone.
Me, يا مستر, my cell phone, يا مستر, is
Okay, boys. So we are just running out of time. I hope you have understood. So please go through these exercises.
يا
Okay?
مستر, can you go up so I will make a photo for the words of
Okay.
this?
Screenshot.
Okay. This is complex.
Wait, يا مستر. Where?
The worksheet is there in the.
Yeah, worksheet is there already uploaded in the office.
It's not يا مستر. I go to the OBIS this موقع. I don't see it يا مستر.
طب mister, is it in the email?
Okay.
Send it WhatsApp.
Send it email يا مستر to my dad.
Okay.
Yes, email, good.
Send through email.
What about WhatsApp? It's easier.
Fine. This fine. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, fine, thank you.
كل عام وانت بخير يا مستر.
يا مستر رمضان مبارك يا مستر.
Ramadan Kareem,
Okay, boys. So, okay, I'm going to end the meeting. All of you, please stay safe and stay happy.
يا روحي
all
بنحط
of you,
فيفا.
all of you, Ramadan Kareem, and stay blessed. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye. السلام عليكم.
Goodbye.